What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel today. My name's Trevor, and today we're going to be going over how I wired in the light bar. Now real quick, I'll go turn this on and maybe we can set you guys. Let's see if this will work. Ooh, maybe not. I don't really have a good spot to set this. I think that'll work. So, real quick, give you guys a nice little test how bright that beauty is. Alright, so I wanted to make a video on how I did the wiring for the light bar. I ended up buying a light bar kit from, what is it called? Hutchinson's had some. Oh, it's really dark. It's not picking me up. Hutchinson's here in town has some wiring kits, so I picked one up there and figured out how to wire this all up. Now, to begin with, don't make the mistake like I made where I ran this wire for the light bar right up under this rubber piece, and well, what ended up happening is it got loose and then blew this whole pillar piece trim off on the highway, and well, let's just show you what's left of it. We were able to recover part of it, but as you can see, there's not enough of it left. So yeah, don't do that. Just go ahead and take that trim piece off. And then once you do that, really all you gotta do is these couple bolts up here, loosen them. I didn't even take this all the way off. I just loosened them until this plastic piece starts moving, and then you can literally just slide that wire right in and just feed it down. Now, loosening it helps loosen up, give it a little more room, and then that wire, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just hides and tucks up right under there real nice. And so that's the way to go if you're going to do that. Go that route. And from there, the wire from the light bar comes down, and this is where the wiring kit comes into play, because right up under here we can pop this up, and where's it at? It's hiding under there. So underneath there, hopefully I can get it so you guys can see. There's that black wire right there, and it has a connector. So you put that connector on, you splice your wires in together, put that connector in place, and then what you're able to do, what's up, bud? Alright, so I ran that wire from under here down through there, and this whole piece comes up. Just lift it up like I shown you, and you can see my wires right back in here. And what I did was I actually ran it behind this piece. So if you take these little trim holder, whatever you want to call them, out, pop those out, then you can feed your wire right through the back of there. You can't really see it, but my wire is laying across from there, and it runs all the way into here and then comes out through this side, and I have it all tucked in nice and neat right here. You can kind of tell up here it goes through there, and then from there you have your relay, which I just put into place right here with a bobby pin. Got your fuse, so you got your fuse, and then run it down to your battery, which I've got connected right up to the battery there. and connected the battery here. And we ran that cord, the ground cord, straight across, down through the bottom there. So that was the easy part. The next part was to run the rest of the wires from the relay inside of here. And I just went through there. And this, I'm sure there's probably a better way to do it, but this is just the way that I did it. I just ran it right through here, all the way down, and then it cuts in and comes into the cab. And then I just ran it up through here, and over to there to my switch. So now we have a working light and a switch, and you can see how bright that light is. I would eventually like to get this switch over here into my little sunglass holder, just poke a hole through it, and then have a switch right here, just toggle. But I have to extend that wire, and I figure I'll probably do it, and maybe I'll find a better way, because it doesn't oh, sorry, hit the mirror. It doesn't really pinch this cord. I mean, it does, but there's enough rubber here that it cushions it, so it doesn't actually, there's no kinks in it. So this works. Not ideal. Probably not the best way to do it, but again, it gets the job done. I didn't want to try and find where to run it through a firewall or try to run it through that piece where all the door wires go, because that is a pain in the butt to deal with. Alright guys, so that's how I wired the light bar on Dora. And if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think I should do next to Miss Dora here, because she is really starting to look pretty good. I like that bumper up there. May have something to do in the future there. What's she showing him? What is that?
Spinny.
And what do you... Ooh, look at those skills.
You see through it.
What do you want to tell him?
Have a good day.
Anything else?
Yeah.
What else do you want to tell him?
Do you like chili? And do you like YouTube? Do you like...
He's giving shout outs to other YouTube channels that he likes.
Do you like, do you like, Obi and Komodo and on YouTube?
Comment down below if you do. Anyhow, don't forget
Give me 1,000 likes!
Give us 1,000 likes because Riley asked
And
for 'em.
Komodo and Obi shouting likes.
Don't forget to click the red subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.